If you want to make your first $1,000 on dropshipping, this is the most important video you need to watch. A few days ago, I showed you a step-by-step plan on how I made my first $4,000 on dropshipping. Yeah, without knowledge and without skills and without buying any courses. You like that video a lot, and so in this video, I'll show you some more useful tricks that were on my way and show you more methods to make your money easier. Like I said in the last video, you need to start with finding a product that you want to sell. Product selection is such an important topic that your choice can both make your earnings successful and break your yet to be started business. So here are 4 ways that will make your product search easier. The first life hack: choose the right AI tools for your work. One of the most famous blogger in dropshipping niche said that the hardest part of dropshipping is that you do everything manually. And that's of course okay if you are making tens of dollars a day. But if you want to make hundreds or $1,000 daily, it's impossible to do without any AI tools. So the second life hack is to choose a good product is that your product should solve a problem. Even if the problem is the most trivial, the product should solve it. And the more complex, the painful problem the product solves, the more in demand it will be and the easier it will be to sell to a wider audience. You also need to make sure that this product already has at least some demand. You don't need to reinvent the wheel and make people believe in a new product. Just use something that is already known to a certain number of people. The best way is to simply browse as many online stores as possible with different products on social media, for example in TikTok, and find the ones you come across most often. And lastly, life hack: choose a product that you can sell at least with a 3x profit margin. Okay, now it became clear how to find a product, but now let's learn how to do it in practice. And let's move to the first life hack I shared, is to find the right AI tools. Personally, I've recently started using AutoDC website. In the link below the video, you can open it, and after that just sign up here using your Google account or just your email addresses. And right after that, on the left side of the screen, you will find a lot of tools that will make it easier for you to make money from dropshipping. In the marketplace section, you can set absolutely any filters to find the right product. Let's start, for example, with a category sports and fitness, and as you can see, here are the most popular products from this category, which you can use directly from this platform. You can also find how much the product costs, delivery time, pictures, and so on. For example, this message gun costs $33 and shopping time from 11 till 14 business days, which is a lot. And here's, for example, adjustable dumbbell that costs almost $80 and shopping time from 2 to 4 business days. And you can view this draft and import this draft at the click of a button. And also be sure to check out the trading products. They are from absolutely different categories, but I'm sure if you spend a few minutes, you can find something perfect for you. Here is also TikTok spy section. Here you can find even more products based on engagements with TikTok ads. This means that the ads with these products are working very well at the moment, and you can spy on them and then repeat similar ads only for your own products. There are also so many different filters to find the products you're looking for, but if you're looking for something specific, you can search for a product by its keyword. I literally found an ad in 3 minutes that got over 100,000 likes, and you can totally watch it and replicate it with your product. AutoDC is a unique tool because here you can not only find but also receive products and manage different orders. If you want to make it much easier to make money on dropshipping, then be sure to use AutoDC, the link below the video. And one more tool I've already shown, this is TikTok Creative Center website. Explore top ads on TikTok, where you can see everything that is being advertised right now in TikTok. And most of these ads were created by different online stores, so I suggest you to watch the ads and to go to each of these stores. On this site you can also see engagement, CTR, and sometimes even a budget of different ad company. The third equally important step is to build your own online store. You have to make not just a simple landing page, not just a simple website page, but you have to make people believe that this is a real brand with a high quality. Because if you take some ready-made template, for example on Shopify website, and leave it as it is, you will miss out on all the profits even if you had the right product. So the biggest investment I suggest you make is to invest your time in creating a store. It is also much better to make a website about a company that sells one specific product and that is focused on solving only one problem. And of course, without traffic, you won't be succeed. But don't be afraid of the word traffic. It doesn't always mean investing large sums of money in buying advertising. I don't advise you to do it right away, especially if you're a beginner, until you start earning at least some money without investment. I've already given you some tools that you can use to get tons of free traffic from, for example, TikTok. You can use hashtags like this, or also you can get endless traffic from Instagram Reels or, for example, from YouTube Shorts. To get started, just order one product for a few dollars and take as many ads with it as you can that are already running. Do it all in-house and just direct all the viewers to your store to see how it works on a small scale. And only then you can start reinvesting maybe a small amount of your revenue into paid advertising to work potentially less but earn more. Also, if you are working for a global audience, then by all means use the Pinterest platform. Personally, I think this website is highly underrated, although in fact many dropshippers have made fortunes here. And yeah, I remind you that already working short videos you can find on site AutoDC, record similar videos and immediately upload them to all sites so as not to waste time, and don't create a video for every site separately. Of course, the link for all useful materials from this video will be below this video. And yeah guys, write in comments below about which way of earnings beside different applications for earnings, which I already often talk about, you would like to learn.